Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Setyawan. We will present about pest and disease control discussion based on rambutan plants in Bakungan, Wedomartani, Ngemplak, Sleman, Yogyakarta. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our members. First is Endah, Paramita, Pratiwi, Ogi Prayoga, Gracela, Nanda, Puspita, Setyawan, Kertagosa, Teksenia Saswati, and last is Uliyatul Muhmiroh H. Topic discussion. The first one is background. Second one is rambutan plants and control. The third is rambutan disease and control, and the last is conclusion. Next.
Okay, about the background. Although there are no reports of severe pest disease attack in rambutan, several pests are being monitored, which may point to a significant threat in the near future. The major disease observed caused by ants and leaf caterpillar. From observations made on Mr. Hariyanto's rambutan garden, which is located in Bakungan village, Wedomartani, Ngemplak, Sleman, Yogyakarta. Yeah, the first one, the pest that attack the rambutan plant is ulat srengenge, or we know as sun caterpillar, usually found in the leaves. Like the other caterpillar, the fur is a self-defense of their body part. Itchy is the most common reactions that occur whenever we contact with the caterpillar fur. But when our skin was exposed with ular slanging fur, the skin reaction will be different. It's not only itchy, but also feels burnout. Next.
Okay, the next is preventive control of caterpillar pests can be done by sanitizing leaf litter and weeds under trees and around plants. It is intended to destroy pupa and cocoon adults. Mechanical control can be done by taking solar caterpillars that are on the stems or leaves of plants. Next. The second is black ants. Their existence is painful to the farmer's plant, starting to pick the tips of the leaves of the plant to make nests in the leaves with leaf folds. Things like these are certainly able to harm plants in terms of making plant food from the result of photosynthesis in the leaves of plant parts. For farmers, this is certainly a big influence on the yields of the plantation. The desired yields are able to provide profitable results, but the results are not in accordance with what is expected.
Okay, so the next one is control of black ants. Control of black ants taking after harvesting the fruit can be done conventionally, namely putting rambutan into a basin and soaking it with water. And then the unique and distinctive aroma and taste are not liked by the ants, so they will go away. The next one, if you want to absolutely sure the ants are dead, spray the insect pesticide as well. Next. Okay, so for the rambutan, for the disease in rambutan is rarely found. So the preventive control with efforts to modify the environment can be done by technical culture, such as setting cropping patterns, setting cropping systems, selecting varieties, tillage, and fertilization.
Okay, and the next is cropping pattern setting. From a regulatory pest control perspective, cropping pattern aims to predict the life cycle of disease in a certain area or land area. Therefore, in the arrangement of cropping patterns, efforts should be made to rotate plants with plants that don't come from one family. If crop rotation is carried out in one family, the pest will always get exposed, so that its life cycle continues. The next is cropping system settings. To reduce pest attacks, the cropping system can be carried out by intercropping or planting in greenhouse. And then the last is sanitation. Technical control is carried out by carrying out sanitation, namely cutting plant parts, branches, or twigs, which have been severely affected, removing flowers and fruit, and then cleaning lightly infected plant parts. Next.
Okay, the last is conclusion. Based on the result of the discussion, it can be concluded pests that attack rambutan plants belonging to farmer in Bakungan, Wedomartani, Ngemplak, Sleman, Yogyakarta are Srengenge caterpillar and black ants. Meanwhile, disease the attack rambutan plant are less common. Pest control starting from technical, physical, mechanical, biological and mechanical culture methods. The application of various control methods can increase the effectiveness and efficiency of pest and disease control. Next. Okay, this is end of part.
Okay, this all from our presentations. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.